This video is going to be on the new custom discount levels feature coming to ThunderPOS. We're just going to run through how you can set this up, what it can do, and kind of some cautions about not using this unless you're sure it's what you want. So if we flip over here, we've got a brand new database, no customers, no items, nothing in here. We're going to go in and we're going to set up the discount levels as the first thing. So to do that, we just go under System Administration, then Settings. And then we're going to go down to the Customer section. And we are going to hit Manage Discount Levels. And when you add a level, you just fill in the description of that level. So for example, I will just say a first responder for, like a police and fireman's discount. We'll say that they get a price discount and we'll say they get 10% off. These numbers can be whatever you need, but you can do it off of price or retail price for a discount, or if you do it off of your cost, it's going to be a markup. So we'll just save this one as price-based and the default will be 10%. Now on every item, you can set it up so that it has a price for each discount level that you specifically set rather than the default discount percent. And we're going to go over how to do that. So we add this first responder one, and then we'll add, let's say, wholesale customers. And we'll say that they get it for cost plus 10%. Or we'll just say cost plus 5% even. Now you can set up as many discount levels as you want. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to set up the 2. So we will save this, and then we're going to go to first set up a customer. So we don't have any customers in this database. We're going to create one right quick. We'll leave the rest of this blank, but you'll notice down here we've got custom discount level. This will only be visible if you at least have one set up, otherwise it won't even appear. So if you want to give them a discount level, you check that box and then you select which discount level that they get. So we'll give me the first responder discount. So we'll save, and then if we sell an item, so we'll set up an item right quick to sell. We'll just set a test item up. And again, the details of this item are not super important, so we're not going to bother filling in anything other than just the name and the item ID. But we are going to set a cost of $25 and a price of $50, and then for used we'll do it like 10 and 20. And then we'll close this item. So right now we do not have me selected for this invoice. The walk-in customer is selected. If we sell the item and then we say no to selling it used, it's going to put it on the invoice for $50. If we select me, you'll notice the price immediately changes to $45, which is 10% off the default, because we didn't set any kind of specific price for the discount level on this. If we had another customer where the discount level was the wholesale customer one, they would get the cost plus 5%. So to show that, we're going to just cancel this transaction and add a new customer. And we'll just call this customer wholesale. And we'll say they get a custom discount level of wholesale customers. So now if we go back in and we select that customer for this invoice and we sell them the item and we say no to selling it used, we get it for the $25 cost plus a 5% markup on that cost. So the markup's $1.25, so it's $26.25. If we were to switch away from that customer, then depending on what discount level they have, they'll either get it or they'll get just the base price. Now, if you change the price manually, so if you manually set the price, that is going to stick. It won't matter what the discount level is. They'll just get that. Now, in addition to that automatic discount level, you can also go into the item here and you can hit this set price levels button. And that's going to allow for us to check these boxes, say we want to override these default percent based prices, and we'll say, we'll give a bigger discount on this particular item. So we'll give it for $40 for first responders, and we'll give it for $20. If we wanted to give specific pricing for used, we could do that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it here, and then save and close. And then we're going to go into the register here, and we will try selling that item again. And you can see it's $50 base. If we select me here, it goes down to that $40 price range that we had set as the override price. If we switch over to the wholesale customer, it goes all the way down to $20. Now we can also say that it's used, in which case again it's going to go based on your percentage, because we didn't set an override. So in this case, that item costs $10. We're on a wholesale customer, it adds 5% to that $10. So the big advantage of this is it's a way you can give a customer a discount across the board without having to set up items for promotions and everything. The downside of this is that the customer will get a discount on everything. If there's anything where you want them to pay full price, you have to set an override for that full price if they have a discount percentage. So just be aware of that. But hopefully this feature will help out those of you who need more price levels than just the one new price that we allow for, but you don't have the ability to just do a percentage across the board, because if you were doing nothing but a default percentage, I would kind of encourage you to look at promotions instead. This feature is more useful if you are going to want to set at least some override pricing, or if you're wanting to do cost-based pricing, which promotions can't do. But thank you for watching this. Look forward to this feature coming with version 22.2.2.